Why does one person get sick while another stays healthy? Why does one person tend to find wealth and prosperity everywhere while another never succeeds at anything he tries? Many of us believe the answer is luck. Yes, my dear friends, I, Kalpana Chauhan, is back again before you to unveil the ways how you can attract luck towards you. So first of all, a very, very warm greetings to every viewer out there. If you've ever known someone who is consistently seems to be lucky, then you must definitely know this. Luck is something you can also attract towards yourself. In fact, research has found a correlation between luck and the right attitudes and choices in life. Whatever you choose for yourself in life. Yes. So today I'm going to present you few mantras so that you can also opt luck in your favor. Mantra number 1. Start your day with gratitude. This life has a lot of magic when we start paying gratitude towards Almighty, towards nature, whatever we have received from this universe. So early in the morning, start your day with gratitude. I'm so blessed. I have roof over me. I have food to eat. I have clothes to wear. So start your day with humble gratitude towards Almighty. Mantra number 2. Stay as optimistic as you can. Generally, you know what happens when difficulties are ahead in our lives. First of all, it gets stuck somewhere. We feel that we are stuck. Our mind is choked up. We feel that nothing is happening in our favor. So at the very first instant, our mind gets hurt with this negativity. So to make a mental balance, we need to practice some sort of meditation and stay as optimistic as we can. Mantra number 3. Meet as many people as you can, because we as humans are the blessed creatures in this universe, and we are blessed in many senses. So in fact, this pandemic has updated us. This has given us a lesson that the correlation that humans have with each other, the connection that they have with each other, the bond that they share with each other would give them more blessings. They would keep each other lifting up. That is how the life would keep on moving. This materialistic world, like owning big cars, big houses, lavish life, won't feed you, won't make you alive. The only thing that keeps you alive is that human touch, the way you interact with others, the way you behave with others. Mantra number 4. Be the most charismatic person in the room, wherever you are. The moment you enter into a place, you should bring that aura of positivity, and everyone should be fascinated by your presence. You should feel that, wow, what kind of positive energy we have, extracted from this person. Let us exchange a dialogue. Let us learn from the person. Let us get something good from this person. So bring that aura with you. Live your life, next mantra, live your life the way you have already fulfilled all your dreams. Which means you should keep on dreaming, but you should start faking as if you have already met your dreams. Because when you would start faking as if you have already attained it, you would become the person you wanted to be in your dreams. And that personality would take you much closer to your dream, because you have already started living it up. The moment you would start living it up, your actions would be synced with your thoughts. And when your actions and thoughts would be synced, your goal would be much closer to you. You would be much in a better state. Last but not the least mantra for bringing luck in your favor is plant some seeds today. If you want to expect a brighter future, if you have something in your mind that you have to attain, start adding one page to your book every day, whatever you want to do. If you want to own a big house, what you can do to own a big house, how you can, sync your actions, your thoughts, your efforts in the same direction, which would, allow you to own your dream house. So when everything will be in sync, luck will be at your doorstep. It will not go anywhere because opportunities are always under our feet. We don't need to go anywhere. We just need to recognize them and take proper action at the right time. Hit the nail when it is hot. So that is how we need to bring luck towards us. With my experiences, one thing I want to mention here is that one of the biggest mistakes we humans do is that we attach a timeline to our dreams when we manifest as if we have already attained our dreams. Even though the timing is not really up to us, this is a very big universe and we are so small. We are so tiny creature. So we need to dream big, aim big, work harder, and be as optimistic as you can to bring luck into our favor without even, paying attention to how much time it is taking up. While it may take time to see, noticeable changes, luck will come your way if only you will allow it. Thank you so much for watching.